Hi and welcome back to Kwizie's how-to videos, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how you can duplicate your quiz. So you have logged in into your Kwizie account, and after that you need to go to the live page where are all of your live quizzes. So you want to duplicate your quiz, you need to go to the three dots that are here in the corner. You press them and there's going to be this button that says duplicate. You just press it and it's going to ask you if you're sure that you want to duplicate this quiz. You proceed with OK, and after that it's gonna show you like the edit page. You can just like switch on, switch off the quiz finish date, maximum question time, like it's not mandatory. You can also edit the questions, and after you are actually done with editing, you're just gonna press next, go live, and ta-da, that's it. That's how you duplicated your quiz. And if you're not sure that you have duplicated it, you can just press on Kwizie's logo, and after that it's gonna show you that live page has now 42. Well, previously I had 41, so now it's 42, which means that I have duplicated the quiz. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!